Guidelines for the implementation of weighing systems. Mechanical constraints, frictions, piping. The more a weighed structure is free from friction, the more a weighing system is precise. When piping are present, make sure that the pipe to be anchored to the weighed structure is close and aligned with the nozzle to which it will be clamped. Mechanical constraints can be limited by using flexible hoses and flexible or free couplings with rubber protection, for example, bellows type. Alternatively, place the first anchoring bracket in the horizontal section as far as possible from the weighed structure, at least 40 times the diameter of the pipe. To verify the correct mechanical installation of the weighing system, proceed as follows. Carry out the zeroing of the weight indicator. Apply a force to the system. Remove it. The indicator has to return perfectly to zero. In case of weighing systems with several load cells, repeat this operation in correspondence with each load cell. When the system is loaded, the weight values are similar on each load cell. When the system is unloaded, the weight value is zero.